Hello guys! In this video we're gonna find out if our parrots are bored or not. So these are symptoms of boredom. Parrot tends to pluck its feathers. Feather plucking is different from pruning. When your parrot prunes, it removes dirt and bacteria from its feathers while spreading the natural oils to keep them healthy. Feather plucking is the act of pulling out the feather from the skin, which can be painful. In severe cases of boredom, self-mutilation occurs when parrots don't have anything else to entertain them. Not only do parrots pluck out their feathers, but they can chew their skin and muscles, going as deep as the bone. This is painful for the bird and can cause long-term nerve and tissue damage. It can also damage their feather follicles, preventing regrowth. Bored parrots vocalize in a manner of different ways, and most sounds are unpleasant to listen to. These noises include ear-piercing screams and high-pitched squawking. Many parrots scream because they are desperate for attention and they won't stop until they get it. Your parrot may also click its tongue over and over to entertain itself. This is a sign that your bird wants to be picked up or petted to alleviate its boredom. Some parrots become aggressive because they are fed up and frustrated with their surroundings. However, biting isn't just a sign of aggression, it's also an indication that your bird feels uncomfortable. This happens if your parrot is cooped up in its cage for too long and never gets a chance to interact with its owner. When parrots feel bored and stressed, they become depressed. Some parrots respond to their feelings by refusing to eat. They won't even touch their favorite trees, or they only pick at them for basic sustenance. Most parrots enjoy their food, especially tropical fruits and vegetables, so it is a warning sign. Some parrots display obsessive tendencies to cope with their boredom, such as constant toe tapping, pacing, body swinging, and head bobbing. Stress bars will develop across the feathers. They appear as thin horizontal lines that run crosswise along the feathers. Can birds die from boredom? First of all, boredom can make some health conditions and diseases worse, speeding up the process of death. However, in most cases, boredom won't kill your parrot, especially if you take measures to enrich your parrot's life. It may cause a range of short-term problems, though, including weight loss, inability to lay eggs, lethargy, irritability, and aggression. That's why we need to make sure that our parrots are busy. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Tell me if you ever experienced this problem. Can wait for your answers. See you next week. Bye!